11 mind-blowing tools and gadgets on Amazon. In today's world, there's a never-ending stream of innovative tools and gadgets that make life easier, more fun, and sometimes just plain mind-blowing. Amazon is home to a treasure trove of these game-changing devices. From multi-tools that handle a variety of tasks to gadgets that turn everyday experiences into something extraordinary. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who loves having the latest cool tool in your collection, these amazing products will not only impress you, but also improve your daily life in ways you never expected. Let's dive into some of the most mind-blowing tools and gadgets available on Amazon that are sure to wow you and elevate your routine. 3-Coil Puna Multi-Tool. The 3-Coil Puna Multi-Tool is an absolute game-changer for anyone who loves to have a versatile, all-in-one tool at their disposal. This multi-tool is designed for both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users who need a tool that can handle a variety of tasks without the bulk. Compact yet powerful, it features an array of useful functions such as pliers, a knife, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, and more. The ergonomic design ensures that each tool is easy to access and use, and it's made from durable materials that can withstand tough jobs. Hohem Steady V2 Gimbal Stabilizer. If you're a content creator or someone who loves capturing smooth, professional quality footage on the go, the Hohem Steady V2 Gimbal Stabilizer is an essential gadget. This compact and lightweight gimbal is designed to eliminate shaky footage, ensuring that every video you shoot looks smooth and cinematic. Whether you're filming with a smartphone or a smaller camera, the Steady V2 ensures that your shots are stable, even during movement or on uneven surfaces. The stabilizer is equipped with intelligent algorithms that adjust the gimbal's movements to match your motion, ensuring optimal stability. Venti Original Portable Fan. Staying cool during hot days is a breeze with the Venti Original Portable Fan. This sleek, compact fan is a must-have for anyone who needs a personal cooling device that can be taken anywhere. The fan is rechargeable, and its small size makes it perfect for tossing into a bag or carrying with you on the go. Whether you're at the beach, traveling, or simply need a bit of extra airflow in a stuffy room, the Venti fan is here to help. Despite its portable design, it provides powerful airflow, offering multiple speed settings to ensure you stay comfortable no matter where you are. Plus, the built-in LED light function adds a touch of convenience, making it perfect for evening outings or low-light situations. For anyone looking for a portable and effective way to stay cool, this fan is a must-have. ShiftCam Pro Grip. For photographers and videographers who want to enhance their mobile content creation, the ShiftCam Pro Grip is a revolutionary tool. This ergonomic, multifunctional grip is designed to attach to your smartphone, transforming it into a more stable camera-like device. The Pro Grip features a comfortable, non-slip handle that provides better control while shooting, which is especially helpful for long sessions of filming or photographing. It also includes customizable buttons for easy access to functions like zoom and shutter, allowing you to control your device with ease. In addition, the ShiftCam Pro Grip features a tripod mount, making it easy to set up for hands-free shooting or steady shots. If you're serious about mobile photography or videography, this gadget will take your content creation to new heights. Portable Electric Clothes Dryer. The portable electric clothes dryer is a must-have gadget for anyone looking for a convenient, space-saving solution for drying clothes without needing to rely on a traditional dryer. This compact device uses advanced technology to dry your clothes quickly and efficiently, without the need for any complex installation. Simply hang your clothes inside, turn it on, and let the dryer do its magic. It's ideal for small apartments, college dorms, or people who need to dry clothes in a hurry. What sets this dryer apart is its portability. You can use it anywhere, and it's lightweight enough to take with you on trips. Plus, it's energy efficient, which helps you save on electricity bills while keeping your clothes in top condition. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to dry clothes without the hassle of traditional dryers, this portable electric clothes dryer is the answer. eColor Smart Egg Lamp. The eColor Smart Egg Lamp is an innovative lighting solution that not only adds ambience to any room, but also allows you to customize the lighting to suit your mood. This smart lamp is shaped like an egg and features color-changing LED lights that can be controlled via an app on your smartphone. Whether you want to create a calming atmosphere with soft, warm hues or energize a room with bright, vibrant colors, the eColor Smart Egg Lamp offers endless possibilities. It also includes a built-in speaker, so you can play your favorite music or ambient sounds to enhance the lighting experience. The lamp's sleek, modern design makes it a perfect addition to any room, and the ability to control it remotely via your phone or voice assistant adds an extra layer of convenience. For anyone looking to add a fun, interactive lighting element to their space, the eColor Smart Egg Lamp is a must-have. Lightzilla Interactive Light Wall. If you want to turn your room into a dynamic and engaging space, the Lightzilla Interactive Light Wall is a must-have gadget. This innovative light wall allows you to create stunning visual displays that react to your movements or touch. Each panel of the light wall is customizable, and the lights can change colors and patterns based on how you interact with them. Whether you want to set the mood for a party, create a relaxing environment, or just have fun with some interactive art, the Lightzilla wall brings a new level of creativity and excitement to any room. It's easy to install and offers endless customization options, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even office spaces. This interactive lighting system is perfect for anyone who loves technology, design, and the ability to create unique experiences right at home. Versatile Multi-Tool. The Versatile Multi-Tool is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed but can't live without once you have it. This compact tool combines a range of functions into a single device, including a knife, screwdrivers, pliers, bottle opener, and more. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this multi-tool is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring it can handle tough tasks without breaking or rusting. Its compact size means it fits easily in your pocket, backpack, or glove compartment, so you'll always have it on hand when you need it. Bilateral Laser Tool. The Bilateral Laser Tool is a revolutionary device for anyone who needs precision and accuracy in their DIY projects or home repairs. This unique tool features two laser beams that project in opposite directions, helping you measure, align, and cut with exceptional precision. It's perfect for tasks like hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning furniture, as the laser lines ensure everything is perfectly straight. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, and its user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can use it with ease. Wood Shredder. The Wood Shredder is a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys woodworking or needs a convenient way to deal with branches, twigs, and small wood debris. This powerful shredder is designed to quickly break down wood into manageable pieces, making it easier to dispose of or use for other projects. It features sharp, durable blades that can handle various types of wood, from softwoods to hardwoods, and its compact design ensures it fits easily in any garage or shed. Grabber Reacher. The Grabber Reacher is a simple yet incredibly useful gadget for anyone who struggles with bending or reaching high places. This extendable tool features a gripper at the end, allowing you to pick up objects from the floor or grab things from high shelves without straining your back or legs. Whether you're picking up trash, retrieving items from high cabinets, or simply need an extra reach, the Grabber Reacher makes the task easy and efficient. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and is designed to handle a variety of items, from small objects to larger, heavier ones. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.